Introducing the Ready Hot Instant Hot Water Dispenser Stainless Steel Tank, a versatile and high-performance solution for on-demand hot water in your kitchen. Designed for seamless under-sink installation, this dispenser combines advanced heating technology, precise temperature control, and robust tank protection features. With a sleek stainless steel design, easy installation process, and a 3-year manufacturer warranty, this dispenser offers a reliable and convenient solution for a variety of kitchen tasks. Let's delve into the details of this innovative appliance that brings efficiency and ease to your daily culinary routines. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation and design. This dispenser offers a seamless under-sink installation, providing a discreet solution for on-demand hot water. The compact dimensions make it suitable for various kitchen configurations. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and a sleek, modern appearance that complements any kitchen decor. Number 2. Performance and temperature control. Boasting an impressive capacity of dispensing 60+ cups of near-boiling water per hour, this dispenser is a powerhouse in terms of performance. The manual temperature dial, with a range from 140 F to 200 F, adds versatility to your kitchen tasks. Whether it's brewing coffee, making tea, or preparing instant meals, the Ready Hot ensures precision in temperature control. Number 3. Open-vented faucet compatibility. It's essential to note that this water dispenser is designed exclusively for use with open vent faucets. Using any other faucet type may compromise the warranty. This limitation ensures optimal compatibility and performance, reinforcing the importance of adhering to the specified faucet requirements. Number 4. Heating technology and tank protection. The 2.5-quart stainless steel under-sink tank incorporates a robust 110-volt 1300-watt heating element. This setup guarantees consistent heating performance and a rapid recovery time, ensuring hot water is readily available. Additionally, this dispenser features automated tank protection with a self-resetting thermal fuse, preventing burnout during accidental dry startups. This safeguard enhances the longevity of the unit. Number 5. Easy installation and quick connectors. Installation is made hassle-free with quick connectors that minimize the risk of kinked lines. This thoughtful feature ensures a smooth flow of water, contributing to an overall user-friendly experience. The inclusion of quick connectors aligns with the brand's commitment to providing convenience to users during the installation process. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 9 inches depth by 8 inches width by 12 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Rapid dispensing of 60+ cups per hour. Adjustable temperature range 140 F to 200 F. Sleek and durable stainless steel construction. Compact design for under-sink installation. Efficient 110-volt 1300-watt heating element. 1 reason not to buy. Limited to open-vented faucet use. Conclusion. The Ready Hot Instant Hot Water Dispenser stands out as a reliable and efficient addition to any kitchen. Its performance, temperature control, and tank protection features make it a valuable investment for those seeking convenience and versatility in their daily kitchen activities. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.